Mabuhay, good day. Welcome to John Rizaldo. How may I assist you today? So, certainly ma'am, may I have your room number?
Room for 100.
Okay. So, thank you. Please wait for a moment while I check your, I prepare your bill. So, your total bill ma'am is 5,250, including your laundry service and dinner from room service.
Alright.
So, what do you prefer ma'am, cash or credit card?
Credit card.
Okay. So, thank you ma'am. First your receipt for, where's your receipt and we appreciate ma'am you stay with us. Have a nice day.